can fly the sky. Never got no stay. 내가 지쳤을 것이
Hey, what's up, Sat Sri Akal? This is your host Samar Kakdial. This is my lockdown look, by the way. लग रहा ना मैं सही? So, we have all heard the phrase that I want to lose 10 kgs, I want to lose 20 kgs, I want to lose so many pounds, whatever. Wrong statement. Wrong statement. Galat goal. Why? Look at this photo, okay? Look at this photo. Now, this is the same dude at different points of his life. And the interesting thing here is that he weighs exactly the same in both the images, okay? So let's say he weighs 70 kgs in both. कैसा दिखना चाहोगे आप? The left one or the right one? I think we all know the answer. And therein lies my point. When you set a goal like I want to lose weight by 20 kgs or XX kgs, you know, that's the wrong goal. It's not a very clear goal. Why? सबसे पहले तो the statement itself, lose weight by 10 kgs. Kg is a unit for measuring mass. It is not a unit which is used for measuring weight. Yes, I know it is surprising, but that is the truth. Weight. कभी सोचा है what exactly is weight? If let's say I say my weight is 90 kgs, what does this statement mean? What is my weight? Weight is nothing but the amount of force with which gravity is pulling me down. That is weight. That is my weight. Okay. Now force का formula होता है mass into acceleration. So यानी कि weight will become my mass into acceleration due to gravity. Now mass is in kgs, acceleration is in meter per second square. So why do I say that my weight is 80 kgs? Because for everyone on planet Earth, the acceleration due to gravity is the same. ठीक है? इसलिए people take shortcut in our day-to-day life. We just ignore the acceleration part in the formula. We directly say weight is equal to mass. When someone says, I want to lose 10 kgs of weight, okay, fine, I understand. He means I want to lose 10 kgs of body mass. This brings me to the second question. What is body mass? What do we mean by body mass? Define body mass. सोचा है? So your body mass is made up of 5 components. Okay, it's made up of 5 components. आपकी body के अंदर क्या है? Bones, your skeletal system, they have mass. You have your organs, they have mass. You have muscles, mass. You have fat, of course, body fat, mass. And then what is 70% of you made up of? Water. So when someone says I want to lose 10 kgs of weight, okay, I know they want to lose 10 kgs of body mass, but which of the components of the body mass? Body fat. We all know the answer is body fat. So then isn't that what we should be saying? That I want to lose 10 kgs of fat. I want to lose 10 kgs of body fat. That is a much clearer goal. You know why is it important to make this distinction? Because when you keep repeating to yourself, I want to lose 10 kgs, I want to lose 10 kgs of weight, in your mind you keep thinking, then that is what your mind will give you. It will reduce your weight by 10 kgs. But you will end up like the first image, because it will reduce muscle mass, it will reduce from maybe some bone mass, it will reduce water weight, it will reduce water mass, it will reduce, you know, some body fat, and that would be the end result. But that is not what you want. You want to get rid of body fat. Hence, it is important to make a distinction, you know. You should always say, I want to reduce my body fat, you know. Don't just give a very top level statement like, I want to lose 10 kgs. You have to give yourself, you have to give your body the direction. And trust me, this is very important. Your words, your thoughts, they have power, you know. That is what ultimately determines your reality. So make sure that you are giving a very crystal clear statement to yourself, basically, not to the world, to yourself. So that's all for the day. See, it's not as if from tomorrow onwards you will make the change and you will start saying, oh, my weight is 800 newtons, because Newton is the unit of force and weight is essentially the amount of force. ऐसा तो होने नहीं वाला, right? But it is important to be aware of what is going on, you know, at the back end. It is important to have that knowledge, you know. No one is going to like exam में आ सकता है maybe, but no one is really going to hold you accountable. It's all for yourself. It's all for your own knowledge and, you know, to get an understanding of how things really work. So that's all for the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. You gained something out of it because you gave me your valuable time. So I hope you gained something out of the video. I will see you guys soon. This is Kakdial signing out.